Hello, welcome to our 13th lesson. In this lesson, we will learn the loft command. First, I start by creating a sketch on the top plane and drawing a square centered on the origin. Next, I open a sketch on the front plane and draw a point. After finishing the sketch, I select the loft command and choose both sketches, easily creating our pyramid. Now, I'll move the point in the second sketch. Since I used Smart Dimension, it measures the shortest distance, so I switched to horizontal and vertical dimension to properly position the point. By using the loft command again, we create an asymmetrical pyramid. See you in the next lesson.